Hi, I'm Robin from Rainbow Gardens, and today we are doing a quick little garden check-in. So last time we did not mention that we have a tent. We put a tent over our vegetable garden. I had mentioned in the last video that because we were spraying BT on our plants in the heat of the day that I would probably have to rip them out. Well, because we used a tent, I did not have to rip them out, and they're doing great. Everybody's doing really well, but as per suggestions from the Bexar County Master Gardeners, we are to stay on top of these cabbage loopers. So we are going to want to alternate using BT and Spinosad. So today we're going to talk about Spinosad, and also our spinach that we planted about 3 weeks ago just disintegrated. There is nothing here. So we are going to go ahead and plant another spinach. Why did that happen? It was probably a little too hot. That's why we love using this live demonstration garden bed, so that we can all learn together about all sorts of things gardening. So first, I'm going to replace this spinach plant that we had. I chose one that had two, and as we talked about last time, I'm going to separate these two so that they can grow to their fullest potential, and I will probably plant them, several, maybe a foot apart, and then let them have their opportunity to grow. So I've got our spinach in, ta-da! Here we go. So that's been replaced. So we're gonna try again on the spinach. Hopefully it's gonna survive because the temperatures have dropped just a little bit. So next, I'm gonna go through the garden and I'm gonna inspect the plants. I'm looking for weeds, I'm looking for bugs. I'm gonna inspect them, looking for fresh chew marks, and see what's going on in my garden. So I have not found any new pests, but as recommended, I'm gonna go ahead and spray these with Spinosad. They recommend alternating BT and Spinosad because after a while, the cabbage loopers can become immune to the BT. However, in the last video, I actually sprayed the BT. We left the tent on. Today, I will not spray the Spinosad because there are pollinators flying around and it will kill them. It will kill the bees if they land on it when it's freshly sprayed. So I am gonna actually spray these with water, pretending to use Spinosad to show you an example of how to do it. Then later this evening, after we close and the sun starts going down, I am going to spray these with Spinosad so that we can actually watch all of the results. So this is one of the Spinosad products that we carry. Remember, when you're using any chemicals, you want to wear gloves. Very, very important. So I'm going to pick up my water, which is the pretend Spinosad, and I am just going to spray my plants, getting down in the crevices, getting all over the leaves, and really saturating these plants good. So now I have applied our Spinosad, which I'm actually going to do this evening. And then first thing in the morning when I get to work, I'm going to spray my plants off. It's not a requirement, but I have met several master gardeners that do that. They'll spray in the evening, and then in the morning they'll just wash off the stuff that they sprayed so it just doesn't sit on there all day and you don't have a chance of burning your plants. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and also keep following along as we do regular updates on our video garden. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.